Subscribe to the TechPod and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Within the last 2-3 years, WhatsApp has crept into every day-to-day activity and has pattered even in our business. So keeping that in mind, WhatsApp has come up with WhatsApp Business with features that will help you grow your business every now and then. Features like auto response and welcome messages are really overwhelming. Before setting up your business account, just go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp Business. There you will get the WhatsApp Business app and just install it on your phone. Registration process is quite similar, but the only difference is that you can have a number either on your normal WhatsApp or it can be on your business WhatsApp. So keeping that in mind, just create one account for that. You will be sent an OTP. After entering the OTP, you are ready to go. Now you have to set your business name or your service or product's name. Now here also there is one thing you should keep in your mind, that if you are setting one name, you cannot rename it. Means if you are registering a business account with one number, you can have only one name for entire life. So set it accordingly. After you are done with setting up your account, everything will look same except WhatsApp Business written on the top. But the twist comes after going into the settings. Just click on this and go to settings. There you will find business settings. So everything is wrapped inside this setting where you can set up your profile. Like clicking on the profile, you will have to enter your business address, your business name, everything. What type of business is it? What are the timing hours? These details will be sent to the customers or whoever is messaging you. They will be able to see those details. So next thing is statistics. In this you can see how many messages are sent, how many messages are delivered, and like these. Then you have away message. This message will be sent to someone if you are not available right then to answer their queries. So you will just set something like, hello, thank you for your message, we are not here right now but we'll respond to you as soon as we return. So you can set anything like this and then just enable it. So whenever anyone sends you some query, this message will be sent to them. Next feature is greeting message. Whenever sends you message for the first time, this message will be automatically sent to that person. Even if you are offline, this message will be sent to them. So now comes the best feature of WhatsApp Business, which is quick replies. You can just type some big messages here, and after that there is a corresponding shortcut that you can apply. So whenever you are going to write a message to someone, you just need to write the corresponding shortcut and it will pop up all the messages or the message corresponding to it. So it's very handy if you are writing big statements or pricing lists. You can have pricing lists here and a shortcut to it. Here comes the last feature of WhatsApp Business, that is the labels. You can get it just by clicking on this 3 dots, then go to labels. You can have labels like new customer, new order, or pending payments, and all of these. So to add labels to sender or messages, you have to just tap over that sender, then you will get this icon, tap over it, and you can have all of these labels. You can have one label or multiple labels over that contact. You can even create your custom labels. After that, just click over save, and then every time it will show the label next to the sender. Hope you liked this video and it will help you grow your business. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching this video and do subscribe to the channel.